What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make fast money with Chat GPT utilizing your Instagram page. Now, with your brand new Instagram page that you're going to be building out with Chat GPT, you're going to be able to make money with this method using a print-on-demand store, selling shoutouts, selling promos, collaborating with influencers, creating your own digital products, maybe even getting into affiliate marketing, or even selling these templates on Fiverr and Upwork that people will pay thousands and thousands of dollars for. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can create these motivational quote pages as simple as tying your shoe. All right, so the first step is you want to use ChatGPT to start creating your quotes. So we're going to make these quotes short. So we're going to make the top 3 short motivational quotes. And pretty much ChatGPT is going to give us 3 short motivational quotes that we can create with our templates. So boom, we got 3 motivational quotes. Now that you got your quotes from ChatGPT, now you want to utilize Canva to create your templates. Now, since we're going to be posting these templates on our Instagram, we want to make sure the sizes are correct. So we're going to go to Canva and we're basically going to type in Instagram, and we're going to grab the Instagram square 1080 by 1080 size. And then we're going to create a blank Instagram template. So once you select your image size, then you want to go and select the images that you want to download. So we're going to go and type in mountains, and we're going to select enter, and we're basically going to make sure that we have the square feature applied, and we're just literally going to drag this image and use it as our background. Next, what we want to do is we want to grab the text and just add the text that we're going to be utilizing from ChatGPT. So we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to grab the first quote, and pretty much by Theodore Roosevelt, and we're going to paste that in there, and we're going to highlight it and change the color so we can see this text, and we're going to edit this just a little bit so we can make it look a little bit better. And then we're going to make this smaller to maybe 30, or let's say 40. Boom. And then once we select that, now we have our image. So once we do this, we can actually make this image a lot better to see, and we can make it look better by increasing the contrast. Let's see, so we have this here, and then we can decrease the brightness a bit to here. We can increase the coloring and the saturation of the image, and now we have our first Instagram post that we literally created in less than 30 seconds. So to make this process fast and efficient as much as possible, what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate this image, and you're simply just going to replace the background, guys. So here's a nice little background right here. We can literally select that and switch it out. We can get our second quote of our Instagram quote, and then we can come and replace this with our second quote, and then boom, guys, I have our second post that we're going to be posting on our Instagram. I can duplicate it again and grab this mountain image, and then we're going to go to ChatGPT. We're going to select our third quote, and we're going to replace the text on this quote, and pretty much you just do this on autopilot till you get to 100, right? So you can literally create these in less than 30 minutes or 10 minutes or so, and start posting your templates on your Instagram so that you can start growing your pages and start making money with ChatGPT on autopilot, guys. And as you can see, this page has 1.2 million followers, and we literally created the exact same templates on Canva in less than 30 seconds. So with your brand new templates that you just created, now we have 3 templates that we can post on our Instagram page. You can start growing your pages and start making money with ChatGPT efficiently, fast, and it can literally make your business a lot easier to grow.